So what's going on? What did you find out now?
We have a blown slave.
Wow.
Blown slave cylinder.
Yeah. In the middle of completing the clutch, and now we gotta take
and
this
the
out.
guys at the dyno waiting for us. Say that again, sorry.
Welder and mechanic unite. He uses my tungsten to bang out the...
Disclaimer, don't hammer on tungsten at home. 0 out of 5 stars, would not recommend.
It's actually one of the strongest metals on the planet.
Does it make sparks?
Yes, it's hardened.
It's hardened this way. This way it's very brittle.
I don't think you can harden metal in one direction. Pretty sure it just hardens.
So what does that mean?
Well, you just beat on it with a hammer that way.
What's the danger?
This way, you can snap it. And when you snap it this way, it's brittle and it'll flare off and fly. It could go into your eye. Yeah. So, but if you bang on it this way,
we got safety goggles
very
over
strong.
there. Somewhere.
He uses those. I got a welder mask. I just take the flash out of it, the flash screen out of it. That's good.
Oh, there you go.
Flat screen. Yeah, we got flat screens up in there. Drink that distilled water.
Chris, I'm sorry, I was just so thirsty.
Alright, so we are
the whole,
using O'Reilly's cheap motor oil for its first run. And we're gonna drain it after the dyno, right, Chris?
Yeah, but I think we need a funnel.
We're gonna drain it after like 5 minutes. We're gonna run it, start it, and then drain it.
Like that sticker right there. It's a nice sticker.
Whisper.
Loxley, I like that sticker right there.
Yeah, man.
It's your boy.
Turn the fan off.
Way better.
Oh my God.
Let me give it a little throw.
Give it a little pat.
That is the loudest 2J I've ever heard.
Look at Jay-Z.
Hey, Jay-Z.
So we kind of teased ourselves. We started it with open headers. So it was very exciting to hear. And then we put the exhaust back on it. Mind you, we took out the muffler, but it's a lot quieter than we want it to be. So after Sebring, I'm gonna do a little birthday present for Savio. And we're gonna do some half mufflers, so our half pipes basically. We're gonna come out right behind his seat, and I'm gonna have them go hook 90 out, and I'm gonna switch them to oval and put them at a really high degree angle. So it's a long pipe. It's gonna sound really good. It's gonna zip. But let's take a look at this. Got the pumps running, power steering.
I heard you keep the horses in the front.
Keeps all them ponies in the front. Catches all the ponies.
You ready? Go ahead.
I'm ready. You ready? You want me to count you down out loud or quietly?
Shoot. Quietly.
Quietly.
Go 5 on 3, quiet down.
5, 4, 3.
Well, hello everybody. Come check my horses in the front. It's not in the back.
Hey everybody, it's MTV and welcome to my.
That was perfect.
All right, now, so for real, here.
That's a cut.
Take your hat back.
It's a lot of responsibility.
So,
That's a one taker right there.
what do we have here? We have a motor. What did I do to it? Not much, because Chris did a whole lot of shit to it. Now I'm playing. All right, let's take it serious. Take it serious.
Chris, don't
All right, so
we need. Take 2.
we had as you guys know, whoever knows me and about me and drifting, we started with an SR, we went to an LS1. From the LS1, we went to LS2, and we ran for a whole year. Last year at Homestead, you can close up in this right here. One of these little bolts right here came off, and it literally swallowed up, and it got stuck wedged between the block, the wall of the block, and the piston. And it was actually there. We don't think it was that. It was there. It got melted to the piston. So we took it off, and I was just gonna do it with just a regular stock setup on it, and I decided to kind of go a little bit wild. I had an extra block. 1K Motorsports bought the extra block, give me the extra money for the 408 stroker, money that I wasn't trying to spend. So since I had it in my hand, I decided to just go ahead and do the whole thing. So we did a 408 stroker on it. I've had the Texas Speed Racing heads, cams, push rods, valves, everything. It was semi-built, now it's a fully built engine. The bottom end was built by TEC out on the East Coast of West Palm Beach. They're known for building racing buggies and racing cars. So they're known for their V8 build. We heard of them. Duarte built his 2JZ with them. It's a 1200 horsepower engine. We haven't had any problems with it. It's been 2 years it's been running. No problem with it whatsoever. So why not bring it to one of the best in Florida? So we got the bottom end built by them. We got all the parts from Texas Speed Race. They put the bottom end together. Chris Steyer, our head mechanic, put the rest of the motor together. We took the car completely from how it was before, with the radiator in the front, everything in the front, a regular power steering. I had a lot of issues with the power steering. My power steering used to overheat, and I would lose power steering half to the drift, and that kind of threw me off. And I went through a bunch of different pumps, a bunch of different fluids. I just had no luck with it. So we decided to go with the Volvo electric power steering. Now we have the power steering in the back, the radiator in the back, expansion tank from Radium. We got a new fuel cell. It's the ATI with the bladder, foam, all of it. It's beautiful. It's a nice setup. And we've been working at it for the past 2 weeks. We put everything ahead of it, left it alone for about 5 months, ever since I broke my ankle. And when everything was done on the second round at Formula Drift with Alex Pro 2, we decided to, on that Monday that we came back, we took a crack on it. Cricket, our fabricator, went at it and did his job, did what he does best in the back. He cut the old cradle out, he built a new cradle, he cut all the aluminum, notched it, arched it all nicely and then put together. And we're into the second week right now, finish off the car. We were supposed to tune today, but we had a little gremlin and we weren't able to do it, but now the motor's together. We have started up already. If you guys have us on Facebook and Instagram, you guys would have seen it already on the story. It's starting up. We got all the fluids in, everything's connected. There's no leaks. There's nothing. It's just this beautiful thing. You know, we took a lot of hours, a lot of hard work, a lot of effort. I'm tired, I'm exhausted. I'm sure Cricket and Chris has been, you know, the three of us been on it since we started the project. Everyone else helped, but the three of us been the main ones putting it together. And it's just a beauty. You know, it's not complete yet. We're just trying to get it together for Sebring, which is Saturday and Sunday, but we're not gonna go Saturday, we're only going Sunday. And I'm happy. I'm happy with the turnout. As you guys can see, it's completely clean, the engine bay. There's a lot of space in the front. I'm gonna take it to the back. Some of you guys have seen it already in the stories. We posted a couple times. Some of you got tired, but from the first time that we posted to the last time, every time we posted, there was something different added on. A little bit of detail to it.
Quick, looks over.
So now we have the radiator in the back. We have our expansion tank. We have the fuel pump sitting in the back as well. Everything is nice and put together, detailed, spaced out, heights, and where everything goes was all detailed by Cricket and Chris. They had a lot of, what is it?
Serviceable.
Serviceable, yes.
You can change things and remove things.
Able to, able
Moxley,
to get to it.
Zoom right in on that. Right down in there. Those hoses. Me and Chris collabed on that.
Yep, so overall,
Turned out really
the car turned out amazing. We have here Mr. Marco. He was dropping some Skittles on the exhaust. We're gonna bring it up, show you guys a little bit of it. You know, it's so, as you guys can see, you know, drifting is all about, you know, being together and helping each other. We have people from different shops coming in, giving a hand, hanging out, seeing how everything's going. We got a lot of support on Instagram. A lot of people hitting us up, encouraging us not to, you know, try not to make it. It's not, this is not a rush project. This is a project that we decided to do in 2 weeks. And we took a challenge up on us, and we've been coming through with it. And it's Friday night, and we did it. We have a little bit of touch-up tomorrow morning, and then we're gonna hit the rollers. Hopefully we can make some good numbers and shred some tires on Sunday.